Pay attention to what is on my screen right now. I am refreshing my account live to show you today's fresh Adsterra earnings and payment proofs. This is the daily standard for anyone using the Adsterra loading method. From your very first day, you get a 100% earning guarantee, bringing in a minimum of $100 in profit every single day. You don't need any special hardware or an expensive, high-spec computer to run this. My custom bot is lightweight and runs smoothly on any basic, everyday device you already have at home. You can also completely skip the stress and cost of building a website. You don't need domains, web design, or monthly hosting because this entire setup functions using nothing more than your Adsterra direct link. There are zero hidden costs, no surprise recurring fees, and absolutely no further investment required down the road. The total price for full lifetime access to this method in bot is a simple, one-time payment of $250. To keep transactions quick and secure worldwide, I accept Binance, USDT, and Payout. I know skepticism is high because of all the fake proofs on social media, and I respect that. I don't ask for blind trust, I offer complete, open transparency. If you have any doubt that this video is real, reach out to me immediately. I am more than happy to jump on a live AnyDesk session with you, log into my real Adsterra account, and refresh the dashboard right before your eyes. My name is Adam and Froy. Stop letting hesitation hold you back while others collect daily automated income. Send me a direct message right now, secure your bot, and start generating your daily revenue today.